Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes-Benz 500 SL. This is the R129, and how to remove your driver's seat cushion. So if your seat module has gone bad, your heated seats aren't working, or you have to clean underneath the seat, this is the best and easiest way. So to remove this cushion, you're going to need a standard Phillips screwdriver. You are going to be removing two screws, one here and one parallel to the other side. Here the two screws are removed. Once the screws are removed, you're going to grab the seat like that and just pull it straight up. And then slide it right out. So this is how easy it is to remove the cushion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share. And if you want to see more videos on the Mercedes-Benz R129, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.